Good morning, everyone. Fernando here with the Traders. I'm gonna break down the trades. Actually, the trade that I took today on VTVT. So I got into the chat room today a little bit late because I'm a little sick. But as soon as I logged in, I saw that VTVT was on the halt. And the way I trade halts is really simple. I either wait for a pullback to jump in on the first 1 minute candle to make a new high. So I could have got, if that was the case, I would wait for this candle to happen, and then I would have jumped in here at 560. Or I buy the dip. I try to define a sort of support when the stock is halted. So I would look, let's say, on the moving averages, the 9 on the 20. I would look at the whole dollar. Maybe I was looking at $5, $5.50, and $6 if resume around those levels, and I'll buy the dip. That's what I try to do this time. I was looking for $6, $5.50, or $5 when resumed, and when it opened, it got a dip all the way down here to 475, and I tried to get it, and I end up getting only a partial at 507, only 100 shares. If I had my whole initial position at 507, that would be great, because then I'll have a great average to add it after. Didn't happen. I had to get my full initial here at 539. That was my average. So I didn't add when it broke. The 1 minute broke here again. A little unfortunate, but anyways, thing resumed all the way down here. As you guys can see, it opened at 520, low was 535, high was 560. When I saw that it was opening all the way down and it dipped, I tried to get in, got in at 509, add the rest of my initial position at 539, sold some at 547, 550, 559, 560, 594, and the rest at 546. When this candle here broke the low of this green candle. And that's how I trade halts. There's two types, like I said. I either wait for the first candle to close and I'll get in on the first minute candle to make a new high, or I'll get in on the dip with an initial position that is 1/3 of my full position, and I'll add when that pattern forms. And that was a good trade. One trade today, made up for the day, and I'm done. All right. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment on the YouTube video, on the forum, or come join the chat at barebootraders.com. Have a good one. Bye bye.